Welcome back to Philippines Got Talent. Pero bagong lahat gusto kong batian, Billy Boy, nanonood. Is mga pinakamagaling na direktor and one of my biggest fans, Direk Wen Deramas.
Direk Wen, hello!
Yan,
Hi, Direk!
isa sa mga biggest fans ko yan, si Direk
Oo,
Wen.
Tom Cruise kung Tom Cruise, di ba?
Oo, yes. At
Yes.
syempre, itong next semifinalist natin ay nagpatunay na we should not judge a book by its cover.
Lalo na kung wala namang cover.
Yay! Going bulilit, going bulilit. O, kung ano ito, ano?
Ikaw, perfect kasi ang pitch mo eh.
Yes.
Pero di tulad ng next contestant natin, Luluboy. Nung nagsimula siya kumanta, sintonado siya. But when she started hitting the high notes, lahat natulala.
At hindi na siya sintonado. Paano niya ito ginawa? I demand to know the story of Linda Losario. Watch this.
Bata pa talaga ako, sumasali na ako sa mga singing contest, pero palagi akong talo. Dati kasi sintonado ako eh, tapos pinagtatawanan nila ako. Kaya ang ginawa ko, nag-aral ako mag-isa kumanta. Na-amaze ako, parang ako ba to? Kaya ko palang gawin yun, parang pag nanonood ako sa iba, parang ang galing naman ito. Inspirasyon ko po rito yung tatay ko. Kasi dead na siya eh. Kasi bata pa ako yung nasa Germany ako, hindi ko alam na namatay siya. Kasi hindi nila sinabi sa akin. Kasi super close kami. Tsaka super favorite ako. Dinidedicate ko sa kanya yun. Alam ko proud yung tatay ko na nakikita niya ako ngayon dito sa Pilipinas Got Talent.
She worked extra hard para ma-develop ang kanyang boses!
At kailangan maging extra hard ang cheer niya dahil birthday niya today!
Happy birthday!
From Muntinlupa City, put your hands together for
Lynn
Del Rosario!
I've been waiting for you. I'm pretending, and that's all I can do. The love I'm sending ain't making it through to your heart. You've been hiding, never letting it show. Always trying. Keep it under control. You got it down, and you're well on your way to the top. But there's something that you forgot. What about love? Don't you want someone to care about you? What about love? Don't let it slip away. What about love? I only wanna share with you. Oh, what about love? Don't you want someone to care about you? What about love? Don't let it slip away. What about love? I only wanna share with you. What about
Our
you,
birthday
Lynn!
girl! Happy birthday!
Happy birthday, Lynn!
Hi, Lynn!
Blow your candle!
Bagong lahat, pwede bang malaman kung ano yung birthday wish?
Ang birthday wish ko po, sana po makapasok ako sa Grand Finals.
Ayun!
Very, very good wish. At Lynn, ang judges ko lang iyong mommy ay may sakit. Kamusta man ang kanyang pagre-recover?
Sa ngayon kasi nung judges call, napagod talaga siya kasi lagi ko siyang kasama eh. Ngayon, medyo okay naman siya. Tapos minamaintain na lang namin yung gamot niya kasi diabetic siya eh.
Okay. Get well soon po. Tuloy-tuloy lang po yan. Okay? It is time to hear from our judges. And
Miss Chris,
umiinom ako.
nauuhaw
Napainom
sa
ako
galing.
Nauuhaw ako sa sobrang ganda. Sinasabi ko kay Friendship, Friendship, kanta natin yan. What about love nga naman talaga?
Love, 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 love.
Sana nga. Okay. Lynn, alam mo, you have a gift. It's a gift from God. You have such a powerful voice. Hindi kita napanood nung first audition, sa tape na lang kita napanood, pero mas magaling ka in person. You blew me away.
Wow, you blew me away. Alam mo, Lynn, grabe. Napakataas pa rin ang boses mo, kahanga-hanga. Talagang, yung boses mong yan, maraming market ang hahanga sa'yo. Male, female, shemale, lahat ng market.
Di Bumblebee?
Oo, Bumblebee, mga Batinger Z, lahat. Ako, dalawa lang ang market ko. Ano to? Market.
And Sir FMG?
FMG.
You've done well, Lynn. Yeah. Pinabilib mo ako.
Thank you very much. At kung nagustuhan niyo ang performance ng ating birthday girl na si Lynn, show her your love by texting PGT space Lynn. That's L-Y-N. Lynn.
Thank you very much, Lynn. Ito, isang performance na lang ang inihintay and the voting will start very soon.
Up next, umikot, lumipad, naglambitan at umakyat. Yan ang ginawa nila during our auditions.
Ang grupong Synergy sa pagbabalik ng
Pilipinas Got Talent. Happy birthday!
Got Talent would like to thank the following: RRJ, the official licensed apparel of Pilipinas Got Talent. Pagcor Grand Theater at the Airport Casino Filipino, Parañaque City. Torque Mobile Phones, basta dual SIM, love ko Torque. Cebu Pacific Air, the official airline partner of PGT Season 3. Baguio Country Club, the official residence of Pilipinas Got Talent in Baguio City. Eurotel, the official residence of PGT 3 semi-finalists. Aquasoft Purified Drinking Water. Time to act. For ultimate hair loss treatment, use Ultimate Hair Grower Tonic. Feel the fine footwear by Joey Enriquez. Sleepworth, The Mattress Master. Mandaue Foam Furniture. Izu Parts Center, exclusive distributor of Joylong High Vans and High Gear Buses. Walter Zamora. Sterling Notebooks. Lyric Piano. The first and the original Renew Placenta. Stay young and stay white. Bong Villanueva Salon, Puerto Princesa City, Palawan. Erase Solution. Glutamax Slim. Uno, unlimited network of opportunity. Building people, building business. Guardian, the first and only 90% ethyl alcohol. Isa Botanica 2-in-1. Kalayan Surgery Center Philippines of Drs. Manny and Pai Kalayan. Janssen Cosmetic Surgery of Asia. Amana Water Park Resort. Castle Peak Hotel Cebu City. and Hotel Cagayan de Oro City. Albergo Hotel Baguio City. Waterfront Hotel Cebu City. Joliant Rap sa Pinoy. For the most affordable authentic Chinese cuisine, King B. Waffle Time. Master Shomai. Minute Burger. Zagu. Tinapayan Festival. Laylam Shawarma. Happy House Donuts. King Sue. Classic Savory. Dew Foam, the rubberized foam. Ink All You Can. Vespa by Moto Italia.